The solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the Sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. Our solar system formed about 4.5 billion years ago from a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust. The cloud collapsed, possibly due to the shock wave of a nearby exploding star called a supernova. When this dust cloud collapsed, it formed a solar nebula, a spinning, swirling disk of material. The solar system is located at a radius of about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center on the inner edge of the Orion arm, one of the spiral-shaped concentrations of gas and dust. The first planet of the solar system is the Mercury. It is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87 Earth days, the shortest of all the Sun's planets. Mercury's crust is made up of silicate rock and its mantle is made up of solid silicate rock. Mercury's extreme high density infers that the planet has a large molten iron-rich core with higher iron content than that of any other major planet in the solar system. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. A day on Venus is longer than a year, and it would take only 224 Earth days to complete one orbit of the Sun. It is also known as the Earth's sister. Venus's crust is made up of solid silicate rock, mostly basalt, and it has a mantle made up of solid silicate rock. It has an outer core of liquid iron and nickel and an inner core of dense solid iron and nickel. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor and support life. About 29.2% of the Earth's surface is land consisting of continents and islands. Moon is the Earth's only satellite. Being Venus's sister, Earth has the same structure Venus has got. The temperature in the inner core of the Earth is about the same as the surface of the Sun. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. It is also known as the red planet. The largest volcano in the solar system, the Olympic Mount, is situated in Mars. Mars has 2 moons named Phobos and Deimos. Mars has a crust of iron-rich basaltic rock and a mantle of solid silicate rock. Its core is partially liquid iron, nickel, and sulfur. Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It doesn't have a solid surface. The planet is a gas giant with only having a solid core. The Great Red Spot, a long-lived, enormous storm system, slightly oval in shape, and it is large enough to engulf Earth. Jupiter has 79 moons. Jupiter's atmosphere is molecular hydrogen and helium. It has a mantle of liquid metallic hydrogen and helium and a core made up of dense solid rock. Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with having beautiful rings which are made of ice and rock. Saturn has 82 moons. Saturn has the same structure as Jupiter has got. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It has the third largest planetary radius and the fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus has rings, but not that beautiful rings Saturn has got. Uranus has 27 moons. The planet's atmosphere is made up of gaseous hydrogen, helium, and methane, and a mantle of water, ammonia, and methane ices. Its core is a silicate iron-nickel rock. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest known solar planet from the Sun. It is the fourth largest planet and the densest giant planet. Neptune has 14 moons. The planet has the same core as Uranus. These 8 planets, including the Sun and some dwarf planets, make the solar system, but Earth is the only planet to be habitable.